Yuji and Mahito are two sides of the same coin. At the beginning of Jujutsu Kaisen, Yuji Itadori believed that the world was simple. Humans were good and cures were evil. That belief shaped the way Yuji understood morality from the very beginning. To him, cures were monsters because they lack humanity. They kill people without guilt, without empathy, and without hesitation. And that is exactly why Mahito became Yuji's greatest enemy. Not because Mahito was the strongest curse, not because he was the most dangerous, but because Mahito destroyed Yuji's understanding of what it meant to be human. Their conflict truly begins with Junpei. When Yuji first met Junpei, he thought he had finally found someone he could save. The two slowly become friends, and for the first time, Yuji believed that maybe he could stop someone from falling into darkness before it was too late. But Mahito had already manipulated Junpei from the beginning. And when Yuji finally tried to reach him, Mahito transformed Junpei right in front of Yuji's eyes using Idol Transfiguration. That scene completely shattered Yuji's heart. Because until then, Yuji still hesitated to kill Curse, especially Curse that were once human. A part of him still wanted to believe that everyone could be saved. And in desperation, Yuji begged to Sukuna to help Junpei. But Sukuna laughed and Mahito laughed too. That moment became one of the cruelest scenes in the entire series because Yuji realized something horrifying. Junpei's suffering meant absolutely nothing to either of them. And in Yuji's eyes, that was proof that Curse could never understand humanity, that they were fundamentally different from people. But the deeper Jujutsu Kaisen goes, the more the story slowly destroys that black and white worldview. Because, ironically, Curse constantly displays human emotion. Jogo mourned Hanami's death, Mahito loved, fear, grow, and evolve almost like a human child. Meanwhile, humans manipulate, exploit, and sacrifice each other constantly. And slowly, Yuji can no longer separate human and monster as easily as he used to. And Mahito understands this long before Yuji does. That's why Mahito constantly mocks him. Mahito realizes something Yuji still refuses to admit. Yuji wants to believe that his violence is morally righteous, that killing curses is somehow noble, necessary, and justified. But Mahito sees through all of it. To Mahito, Yuji is simply another creature killing to survive, a predator trying to convince himself that he is different from the thing he hunts. And that is why Mahito tells Yuji that until he accepts the truth, that two of them are the same, Yuji will never defeat him. At first, Yuji rejects the idea completely, because admitting similarity with Mahito would destroy the very foundation of his morality. If Mahito is not purely evil, then Yuji can no longer view himself as purely good. And then Shibuya happens. Nanami dies in front of Yuji. Nobara collapses beside Yuji. Thousands of innocent people die because Sukuna used Yuji's body. He no longer sees himself as a hero. He no longer fights because of justice. And that finally leads us to the meaning behind I am you. This line is not Yuji admitting that he enjoys cruelty like Mahito does. It's much darker than that. Yuji realized that both of them have stopped questioning their roles. Mahito kills humans because that is his nature as a curse. Yuji kills curse because that has become his role as a Jujutsu sorcerer. Not because it is righteous, not because it is noble, but simply because that is what he does now. That is why Yuji calls himself a cock. A cock does not ask whether it is morally correct. A cock simply continues moving because the machine demands it. And ironically, the moment Yuji accepts this reality, he finally surpasses Mahito. He no longer needs to justify himself as the good guy. He will kill Mahito regardless. And for the first time in the series, Mahito becomes afraid. Because unlike Yuji, Mahito never questioned himself. He simply followed his nature honestly. Yuji, however, had to lose his humanity before reaching the same conclusion. And that is what makes their relationship so tragic. Mahito was born a monster, and Yuji become monster through suffering. See you in the another video.